In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your mobile site on Weebly. Let's dive in and walk through each step to help you create a stunning website right from your mobile device. First, you'll need to make sure you have the Weebly app installed on your phone. To do this, begin by heading over to the Google Play Store. Once the app is opened, look towards the top of the screen and you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on that. Now type in Weebly and hit search. You'll be presented with a list of results. Locate the Weebly app in this list and click on Install to download it to your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Weebly app. You'll find a Get Started button on the screen, so click on that to begin setting up your account. Here, you'll be prompted to enter some of your personal information to create your Weebly account. This includes your first and last name, email address, the creation of a secure password, and your location. Please ensure to double check your details before proceeding to ensure everything is accurate. Next, you'll see a box or option to check the user agreement. This is an important step as it outlines the terms and conditions of using Weebly's services. Take a moment to read through the agreement and then go ahead and check the box to signify your acceptance. After this, click the Continue button and you'll be directed to the Weebly home screen on your mobile app. Now you'll want to begin editing your site. On the home screen, you'll see an option to edit your site. Tap this to enter the editor mode. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll notice a paint icon. Clicking this icon will open up a wide range of customization options for your site, allowing you to edit various design elements like fonts, colors, animations, and buttons to suit your brand and style. If you have a specific font in mind, you can select it by choosing the Fonts option. Adjusting the appearance and setting the tone of your website is now in your hands. In addition to fonts and colors, you have the flexibility to edit the text and images. Simply click on the elements you wish to update, and you'll have options to either type in new content or upload different images as needed. And there you have it. With these steps, you can successfully edit and customize your mobile site using Weebly. This user-friendly platform gives you the power to create a professional website with ease and efficiency right from your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!